Hello! Today we're gonna change the shock absorbers on my Daimler. Shock absorbers over there. And first we have to loosen in the boot two bolts in the corners. That one. That one's got a lock nut as well, so it's got two nuts. Size 17. That's the bolts on the underside. Whee! That's how I made a grip of the shock absorber. You should now be able to just pull it out. So that's the old shock absorber. And that's my new ones. According to the workshop menu, you have to bleed new shock absorbers. Hold the damper in its normal vertical position with the shroud uppermost and make several short strokes, not exceeding more than halfway. Until there is no lost motion, and finish by extending the damper to its full length once or twice. Okay, yeah, you can feel that actually. And then hold them upright. Right. Very good. On the near side I struggled to extend the shock absorber, so I helped it a bit by jacking up the axle a little bit. But it looks nice. And they're fully adjustable. How harsh you want your ride to be with this knob, It's got 20 settings. If you loosen it, basically it gets loose, would you believe it? I'll set it in the middle. There you go. Right, so that's my old shock absorbers. Koni Classics. And the gas adjustable ones. My new ones. You even get a graph with it. How they perform in testing. Pretty good.